Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel, Dear Shiva, and I am thrilled to have you join me on this incredible journey. In this video, we are going to learn about the handling cloud era, and by the end of it, you will have solid grasp of the key concepts. Whether you are a curious learner or someone looking to deepen your knowledge, you are in the right place. We have crafted this video to be informative, engaging, and most importantly, easy to follow. But before we jump into the nitty gritty, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Learning is a journey, and we are excited to have you along for the ride. All right, no more delay. Let's get started with the topic handling Cloudera. So, in this topic today, we'll learn about handling Cloudera, how to. So, first of things is uh, here is a icon. If you can see, if it is visible, here is a icon. This is a browser icon, so whenever you want to run if you want to visit any website in this cloud era virtual machine, then you have to click here, then it will open a browser. And let me show you, it will open a browser and there you can visit any site with the help of that. In the second icon here, if your if in your virtual machine you are not able to open browser, or if you're not able to visit any site, your internet is not working. So for that, click on the browser to check if internet is working or not by opening Google. If internet is working, then it's okay. Else you need to reconnect by disconnecting and connecting back again, as so in the above screenshot. So here you have to click, and again you have to first you have to disconnect and then you have to uh, connect. So by this way you can check your internet in Cloudera working or not. We'll move to the next slide. Now here, just one more option we have, if you want to copy data from local system and paste in Cloudera virtual machine. So for that you have to make it bidirectional. Make it bidirectional. So for that you have to go to devices, click on the you have to click on the shared clipboard, and then you have to click on the bidirectional. Let me show you in my virtual machine actually. Card. Let me show you there. So this is my virtual machine. So first of all, if you want to open a browser, then click it here, and now or visit any site, google.com. So now we are able to open Google. If it is not working, then there is a connect and disconnect option. So you have to click here, disconnect, and then again you have to click here and connect. So like that you can troubleshoot this internet issue. If you are facing troubleshoot, if you are facing issue with this, then okay. And so if you want to copy anything from the local system to uh, you know Hadoop system, this virtual machine. So for that, first I'll show you, am I able to do it or not. Let me show you. So go to devices, shared clipboard. It is bidirectional, so I'll disable first. Then I'll open this terminal, any terminal. Okay. and I will try to copy any command from here, any command from here to uh, let me see. I'm trying to copy this ls command and I'll try to paste. I'll not able to paste. Okay, so why? Because there is setting that we need to enable. So first we have to go to devices, shared clipboard, and we need to make it bi-directional. Then again we go to click here, copy, and come into here and paste. Now we are able to copy our any data to local system to virtual machine. Like you have to understand, see, this is virtual machine, this is Cloudera quick start virtual machine, this is your local system. Okay, so if you want the all the files will not be directly available to the virtual machine. This is virtual machine, so all the file which is here now, it will not be available directly to this virtual machine. So for that you have to do some settings. So first we saw how we will copy any text from this system to this virtual machine, that we just saw. Now we will check, are we able to how can we move our local files, local uh, how we can move files from local system to Cloudera systems. Okay, so for that we need to create one uh, folder here, and we'll name it as shared. Okay, sha already shared. And after that I'll go to devices and share folder, click it here on share folder settings. Okay, and you need to go to click on machine folder, click on machine folder. Here is the plus sign, so here you have to click and you have to put folder path. So whenever you will click here, it will click on others, it will go to like now you have to click on the desktop, because I have created that shared folder on the desktop. So that is why I need to go to desktop and select the shared folder and select folder. Okay, now it automatically takes the folder name, which is shared file, and you have to click on auto mount and make permanent. Okay, now by this way it will be that now you will be able to share file. Click on ok. Now we have to check, are we able to share show that files or not. So let me check. Desktop not there. So cd, is it desktop here? Yeah, desktop is there. No, desktop, let me check. ls share folder is there. See, shared folder is there. Now we are able to see that shared folder is created in like this. Shared folder is created into we can say this folder is sync with the local file system to virtual. This is a virtual file system, and this is synced with the local file system, but we are not able to see shared. Like we go to the cd shared, then we'll list the file. Are we able to see? Nothing is there. Okay, so now what we will do? Okay, let me. So what I did, I went into shared folder and I tried to print or list the files or folder available there, but here showing nothing because we have not moved any file to this shared folder. Okay, now I'll share one folder like a scoop data set. Okay, to this shared folder. I'm sharing a scoop data set to this, but I'm sharing this a scoop data set to this shared folder. Now this should be available there in a virtual machine. Okay, this should be available in our virtual machine. Let me check, are we able to find it? No, nothing, because we have to do one more setting. Okay, what is that setting? That setting is, the setting is, we have to, so we already created this in local machine. Okay, and we have done this also, like we went to the devices and set folder and set folder settings, and we already fill this at shared, this all we have already done, this also we have done. Now we have left one option, that is called we have to log in with a su command, log in with a su user. This is a super user actually. So we have to log in with a super user to our Hadoop system or the terminal, and then after that we need to put this command like mount t vbox sf shared. Okay, so for that, what we need to go to our terminal, and what I need to do, we need to come out. So shared cd. So I came out from that folder. Now I have to log in with a super user, and the password will be Cloudera. This will not display. Now root user, root quick start. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to put this command mount t, copy it, and I will paste here, and mounting field with here no such file or directory, shard shared. Okay, so where is that file? It means we have to go to that desktop. Okay, let me disconnect, close the terminal, open the new terminal, and let me see. We have to go to this desktop, and there we need to create this. There we need to log in with a su. So first we need to go to, let me check where is there desktop. Yes, so cd desktop. Now here, now we'll pass here su Cloudera. Okay, now what is the command? Mount t. So that I already shard vbox sf. Yeah. So let me paste it here. Then let me try. Yeah, it is, now it is linked. Both are synced. Let me check. Now see, this is earlier what type of, it was not green, like it was not highlighted. Now it is highlighted. Okay, this shows that this file is synced with the local file system. Now we'll go to the go inside that folder. How you will go to, like cd shared, we are into shared folder now. See, we are into shared folder now. Now will ls. Now you can see a scoop data set. Okay, which we have copied, here in the scoop data set. Now if you want to move any other data set, then you have to go and copy it, share, and paste. Okay. Now go to the virtual box. Now ls. Now you can say we have one more uh, directory called topic 7 datasets. So by this way we have understood how to share files and folder, how to uh, copy command or copy data from one place to, like a local to virtual machine. So that we have understood till now. And so now we have understood, we should be able to share the files between the local system and Cloudera virtual machine. And you can verify that moving a file in shared folder in Windows or Mac, then try to see this the file shared folder in the Cloudera that I already shown you. Now these things we have learned, okay, how to create shared folder, to help share files between local and to share to help us to share file between local machine and Cloudera. So these things we have learned in uh, this video. So here and there you have it, comprehensive exploration of the this Hadoop handling Cloudera, and I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed creating it for you. Remember, learning doesn't stop here. There is a whole world of knowledge waiting for you. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep that curiosity alive. It if if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. Your support fuels our passion for creating more educational content. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to DS Shiva, that is my YouTube channel, and turn on those notifications so you never miss out our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, keep learning and keep growing. This is Shiva shining off. Thank you.